In this video I'm going to calculate the percentage difference between two numbers. Here I have old amounts, here I have new amounts, and here I'm going to calculate the percentage difference between these two numbers. This can either result in a positive number or a negative number. I'm going to calculate the percentage difference using two different methods. But first, 20% means 20 divided by 100 because the word percent means per 100. So 20% is equal to 0.2. 20% and 0.2 are the same number, they just have a different notation. Now the way I'm going to calculate the percentage difference is by using this little formula. I'm going to take the new amount minus the old amount divided by the old amount. Now some people use a different formula which is basically the same, and here's how it works. You can split the fraction up into two fractions. New divided by old minus old divided by old. But because a number divided by itself equals 1, you can also write this as a new divided by old minus 1. This is the first method I'm going to use, and this is the second method I'm going to use. Okay, now back to Excel. The formula for my first method is new amount minus old amount. Enter. This is the absolute difference, so not yet a percentage. So I'm going to divide this by the old amount, but in order to do this, I have to place this between parentheses divided by the old amount. Enter. So now I have an increase of 0.2. I place my cursor on the bottom right corner and drag down to copy the formula. I want to show these numbers as a percentage, so I'm going to click this button, and I'd like to have one decimal, so I'm going to click this button once. Now my second method equals the new amount divided by the old amount minus 1. Enter. And I'm going to copy this formula down too, like this, and then show as a percentage with one decimal. And these are the two ways you can calculate the percentage difference between two numbers.